You know that embarrassing growl your stomach makes during a quiet class or meeting? Yeah, that's not a tiny monster. That's science. Here's what's really going on. Your stomach and intestines are constantly moving food and gas around. It's called peristalsis. It's like a slow-motion belly dance with sound effects. When your stomach is empty, those digestive muscles still keep working, pushing air and leftover bits around. And that creates those rumble sounds. Basically, your body's like, "Hey, feed me," and turns up the volume to remind you. So next time your tummy growls, don't blame the snacks you didn't eat. Blame your hard-working guts doing their thing. And now you know, your stomach isn't angry, it's just chatty.